So she did, not to even, so hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's right, that's me, I promise. Yeah, if you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. So in today's video, I do have the Allure. However, I thought we would do something a little different. We're going to talk about a little bit of skincare because there are some items in this box that I think I may be able to use. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, what this video is about, it's a little something different, then by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, thank you so much for being here. My name is Stephanie for the newcomers. And yeah, I am here with nothing on my face. We are starting the morning. And I do have Allure. It did come, which is kind of crazy. Really early for me anyway. Now, I just thought that listen, my skincare routine is different from the morning as it is in the night. So I figured I could go over a couple things that I do every morning and some of the products that I use while going over the Allure, because I think there's some, at least one or two things in here that I want to mention, and a couple, I think one or two that I can actually use. So, sorry, just let me get the formalities out of the way. Yes, if you are new and you haven't subscribed, please do so. We are like 20 away from that giveaway kicking off, and I am super excited. I think I outdid myself. Geez, what are we going to do for the 1,000? I wonder. Anyway, we have a lot of ideas, and I think we're honing in on one, so you don't want to miss that. But right now, the 750 is coming, and it is oh so close. Okay. I will upload that video accordingly. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up regardless. And it really does help me out. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, in the mornings, it depends on what I'm doing. I kind of can feel how my skin is in the morning now. If I kind of feel like extra icky or something, I will absolutely wash with the, this is the Clean and Clear Watermelon Gel. I bragged about this on the channel before, and it is almost gone. And I do have a bag of empties. Woo, let's go, Steph, right? I am really trying to utilize the enormous amount of products that I have open. For the normal skincare morning wash or what have you, I do usually pair these two. Now, it's very weird that this is, that I do like this because it has coconut in it, right? It says with hydrating coconut, but I don't think there's enough in it, or maybe just because I'm putting it on and taking it right off, it doesn't make me break out. Now, coconut does make me break out, I have found, depending on the concentration levels of it. So I am loving this. I will definitely repurchase this, okay? This is the e.l.f. Thank you, Jasmine from Jazz Up My Style, for mentioning this. Got this a while ago and I never opened it. It is the Slay All Day CBD Face Wash. So I do pair these together. Now, I have already done that. And I don't exfoliate during the day, guys. Always at night is what I do. I was the first one to say, what is this? Now, I was sent this, from Holly. Thank you so much. But when these things first came out, I was like, who would buy that? It's just water in a bottle. Yeah, well, guess what? I'll be purchasing them again, probably at TJ Maxx, making sure the expiration date, if there is one, yes, is good, right? Also, I do want to do a great big shout out to the Not So Evil Stepmother, because she really helped me with like the skincare products, some of them, and the routine I should do things in, and it's been working wonderfully. I suffered from melasma so bad that you could see, like right here, oh my gosh, guys, it looked like I had bronzer already on my face every day I woke up with no makeup. It was horrifying. And I didn't even really realize it. That's the crazy thing, because, back in the day, as I talk about my story more, I stayed away from makeup for 5 years. I didn't do anything. My skincare routine consisted of washing my face and putting the Johnson's baby lotion on, the one in the pink bottle. That was it. That was it for 5 full years. No sunscreen, no nothing, and that was a big no-no. Okay. Since getting more into the channel and more into liking makeup and, doing all kinds of things, I have since grown. Definitely have a skincare routine, and I abide by it. I am religious with my skincare. That is one thing. I will go without makeup before I will go without skincare. Not So Evil Stepmother did recommend this, and guys, I went and got it, and I love it. Now, it's empty now, but it's okay, because it's a moisturizer detector, but it does have a nano mister, which if you turn it on, it should mist, but there's nothing in there. You can see that the light is on, I think. right? Okay, so I have my toner. Guys, I will use 2 different toners. Mostly in the morning, it's this one. Again, my nighttime skincare routine is completely different, like totally different. So, if y'all want to see that, comment down below, and I will do a special video really soon, actually, if you want me to, of my nighttime routine. So I am using right now, what I do after I wash my face, I will go in with the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, and I love this stuff. Love it, love it. It has really helped me to lighten up the spots. Now, are they all gone? No, but I've only been doing this for like a month and 3 weeks, I want to say. Something like that, like not very long at all, not even 2 months yet, and I've noticed a considerable difference. I mean, you can still see the spots right here. However, they were large. Now, what I will do is I will just go in with the toner, right? And I will tone my whole face. I try to stay away from my eyes, though. Unless I'm using it at night, I have special stuff to put under my eyes. But so I will go ahead and I do my ears, I do all of that, and then I will take another thingamajiggy, and I will kind of put a little bit on and just hold it on the spots that I want to really work on, okay? And I will kind of like pat it on there, and I will hold it. Of course, I don't have time in this video to keep it on there the way I do. So I will let that dry, okay? Now, I will go in with a hyaluronic acid after this, and a niacinamide serum. Okay, so I have the Good Molecules niacinamide serum right here. And guys, no, this is not sponsored, okay? Don't I wish? But no, it's not. Good Molecules, I've just been finding them to work for me. And again, was recommended through the toner from the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I branched out from there. Now, I do have the Plum Plumping, which y'all know I am a huge, well, maybe you don't, but I am a huge, huge Glow Recipe fan. And let's talk about Allure for a second. I'm just letting that toner dry down. I did open the box just to look really quick. I do have 2 things to say. The Belif, okay, a lot of people swear by this, right? It is the moisturizing eye balm right here with the little false bottom. Guys, you have to be careful with this. When I went onto the website, I was sent these products full size with the toner as well. 3 things: the moisturizing under eye, the moisturizing face cream, and the toner. I first used the toner, I broke out everywhere. So I skipped that and I went to the moisturizer. Didn't really have too much problems there. I broke out a little bit, not all kinds of crazy. But when I went in to use the eye balm, I was like, what is going on with my eyes? Oh my God. I read some of the reviews and I had the same problems. You have to watch with this because you can get those little white dots that just don't ever go away. They kind of look like whiteheads a little bit, Malilia. I will put the word down here. You have to be I'm telling you, it did cause that for me and I immediately stopped. So yes, just be mindful of that. Now, other people swear by this, okay? But I will not be using this. I don't know what the full size is. I know it's pretty pricey stuff. Yeah, $48 for the eye cream. I mean, you know, it's not super expensive. There are eye creams that are heck of more expensive than that. But, all right, so the next thing that I'm seeing in here that I'm interested in using is it's called Augustinis Batter, the Rich Cream. I'm going to try this because why not? It's not like I don't have enough creams open, right? It says, I'm a 10-step skincare maximum. That's me. She said she put her serums in a drawer and tried this. Get ready for a long list. Smoothing, brightening, hydrating, soothing cream. It contains amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so I'm not going to be mad at that if it works. Now, I don't want to break out, but I know that I'm definitely, it's the Rich Cream. So I'm very interested in trying that. This is what the full size looks like. Holy moly, guys. This stuff is $265 for 50 milliliters. Wow. It's in a little tube. It's very tiny. So we're going to give this a go and we're going to see, okay? And then, of course, I will go in with sunscreen, which, by the way, we do have the itty bitty Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen. Now, I do like this. Cetaphil. I've never tried this product, but I'm going to try it today. We're going to do that, okay? And this light will do damage just like the sun, okay? Just know that. If you are a YouTuber or you're in front of lights like this, please wear sunscreen. Even if you don't think you need to, you absolutely need to. You don't want to undo everything we're doing. Again, this stuff comes in so handy because I shake it up. And now I've done the toner. My face is dry. I'm going with hyaluronic acid. This stuff is made to pull moisture from wherever it can find it. So if it doesn't have it with it, like you're adding it to your face, it's going to take it from your face, which is almost counterproductive if you think about it. It totally makes sense. So what I will do is I'll just go with just a light spray, okay? You know, you don't got to saturate your face or anything. And then I just do like 2 pumps. So I have 2 pumps and maybe like half a dropper full. And I'll just go in while my face is still damp. And I go ahead and I put it everywhere. Like I put this everywhere, guys. Okay, the word needed for your entry is sunscreen. Okay, so while this is kind of drying down, then what I do use as well is, do I have it here? Yes, it is, ha! I love this stuff. It is the Kate Somerville Squalene and Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And guys, watch the magic. Ready? So I go in with this as well. Sometimes I'll mix them all together. Keep watching right here. Now that I have all that serum goodness on me, I usually will, as that's kind of drying down a little bit, I don't want it to dry completely, but I will pop on my eye cream. It's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Okay, well, thank goodness I put it out already. And I will go under my eyes with it. That's the first thing I put on. Unless I'm doing patches, then I won't put anything on. I will do that afterwards. All right, so we have the eye cream on. That is the first thing. Now, as my serums are drying down, I will go in with a moisturizing gel cream. Sometimes when I want to look super fancy for camera, I will go ahead and I will put on the Rodale's Dragon Blood. Because, guys, this is so expensive. Oh, my gosh. And I always incorporate this. As you can see, we are down to the nitty gritty. I need to either get another one or swap for it. Oh my gosh. I kind of mix my moisturizers because why not? It saves time. But this is the Skin Perfecting one. And I will throw that on there. I won't let it like go all the way dry. And then I reach for another one. Now, I want to use that stuff from the Allure box. Okay. So I want to try this. So let's try this. I want to see how it works. All right, so this is just an ever so little bottle. I'm just going to, this is how I do my moisturizers, guys. I put 2 pump squirts, whatever. This doesn't have any smell to it. So it's very creamy, I will say that. It's not greasy. It doesn't feel greasy. So I'm not hating it. Once I have my moisturizer on and it's still just a little bit damp or like not fully soaked in, I will go in with just a little bit. And I mean a little bit of the Purlisse Watermelon Aqua Gel, whatever it is, Energizing Balm, because I find that like locks everything in, okay? Really does lock everything in. I'm going to ultimately end up with just the BB cream on my face from Purlisse. It does have SPF in it, which is good because I'm not using a foundation. So we need an eye cream. I got the Avant. I figured why not use it. I do actually like this. Like that sucks because it's so expensive. I think $90 or some crazy amount. This one I use just a little, and I'm talking a little bit, guys, because you don't really need a lot. And this is so expensive. So I will go ahead in with that over top of the Hydra Boost. That's the first thing I do. Now while that's drying down, okay, and I just kind of swipe it across up here as well. And right on my crow's feet. All right, so the last 4 items in here are, what is this? This is Josephine. This is a lip topper. So let's see what color this is in. Okay, no. This is Glamorously Healthy. Don't know, but that's the shade. And yeah, that is not my color, guys. So this will be going in a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway today, shall we? Let's do that. So we have this. Okay, now, we do have the Wander, which I do kind of want to try this, but then again, I don't because I do already have a vitamin C cream for the evening. But this is vitamin C concentrate from Allure Beauty. And yeah, I'm not going to be able to use that. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway as well, okay? This one, I already have. So this is the matcha tea from Purlisse, which is actually a really good one. But I think I bought a pack of them or something. I do have some over there in my little giant mask bin. Yeah, so we're going to put this in the giveaway as well for somebody, okay? And then the last thing in the box is, where's the booklet? Really? Oh, it's under the box. Sorry, here it is. I was looking for that. Okay, so let me just go over the prices really quickly. The Wander, right here, this one. Boy, am I dropping everything, guys. Wow. For the full price, 42 bucks. Okay, so there's $42, and the Josephine, which is a full size, is worth $30. So right there, guys, you got 75 bucks. worth of products that I'm giving away, and you do have the mask. In a pack of 6, it's $28. So 6 into 28, that's how much this one mask is worth. So you got over $75 worth of stuff that I'm sending out. Now, I didn't get a chance to put up the Box by Fashion stuff for last month, but I just want to mention a few items that I know I will not be using, and why not just put them in the giveaway. So we're going to do that. So the Clio Noir eyeshadow palette, you know, I saw the Not So Evil Stepmother do a look with it, and it was very nice, but I know I won't reach for it. So that's going in a giveaway as well. The things that I said will be in the giveaway are the right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh my gosh, can I hold everything? And this, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you how to enter that in 1 second. This is the last thing in the Allure box, guys. Sorry, it's so all over the place. But this is the Propolis Light Ampule. I don't know what it does. Let's go to the book. It says, have you thanked the bee today? Now, if this has anything to do with honey, I'm all for it. Okay. It says, these insects help regulate natural world in their spare time, make skincare. Okay. COS-RX Ampule, a heavy skincare serum, more of a skin syrup. It's harvested without hurting the bees. Let's not hurt the bees. And seriously, I mean, I don't like bees. They'll kill me, but I don't want to see them go away. Studies have shown that it's rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamin B, C, and E. That is to say, the serum is hydrating and it calms redness. So I'm down for that. So here we have this, and I will give this a go. So I've done my eyes. We are done with the eyes. Now, I have done everything. My face is feeling really nice, really moisturized. And guys, since I'm not really wearing any foundation, which would normally have sunscreen in it, I will go ahead and put my Purlisse BB cream on. As you can see there, it's not totally like without color. You really can't see this, but I kind of just put it on there, and it has SPF in it. So we're going to try the Cetaphil that was in the box from the Allure. Here it is here, but it doesn't say anything about the price. It's on the back as an advertisement. So let's begin. So this is what it looks like. It is a mineral sunscreen, and I'm all down for that. So no smell. Yeah, there's no smell. Oh, that's awesome. I'll just probably put my hair up in a ponytail and out the door I go, guys. Like, that's me in the morning when I'm running late like I am today. I'm going to give you the rules now to the giveaway. You must be 18 or older. You must have a U.S. shipping address for this one, guys. Sorry. You also must be subscribed, most importantly, and be public. You have to definitely have your account public so I can see. There will be a word that has flashed up somewhere along with the heart emoji. Any heart emoji will do, doesn't matter. You must have that in your comment. This is a hidden giveaway. It is not being announced. So, you know, there's that. Whoever sees it, sees it. Whoever doesn't, I guess. So that is my morning skincare. My morning skincare routine. You know, that's pretty much how I do my skincare until I get to the makeup portion, of course. And I will also go in with, this is what I will use, which I'm going to put on right now since I'm not doing any makeup. But you absolutely can put this under makeup. It works very well. Again, thank you to the Not So Evil Stepmother and the Box by Fashion stuff. This is what I use. I go in, and it's kind of like a primer, guys. It really does work like that. It's very moussey. Like, I want to say it has like a moussey feeling to it. And it doesn't dry me out, but it doesn't make me greasy. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of wonderful, actually. Now, don't forget to make sure you do your eyes and your ears, guys. Very important. So there you have it. So, again, please be mindful of the giveaway. Follow all the rules. Good luck to the winner. And, yeah, remember, if you are, you know, got something going on, or you're, you know, going through something, please share it with someone you trust, someone who loves you. I just got done talking to my counselor about that, and she said, Stephanie, that's great advice, and I'm so glad that I kind of got her approval on it, because I didn't want to put anything that would hurt anybody. She said, no, it's absolutely wonderful. If you can't find somebody, hell, hit me up. I will listen. I am a good listener, okay? Also, be that friend that does listen when you're asked. You can definitely help somebody. But most of all, in this great big mixed up world we are in, please, most importantly, stay safe, guys. Until the next one, see ya.